Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix emoji missing after iOS 18.1 update. So look here, not showing a to emoji option in my keyboard. So now I'm provide how can fix. At first check to general software update. Look here, this is my software iOS 18.1. Now I'm recently update this. So now I'm provide how can fix this easily. To open iPhone settings, click on to general, scroll down, select keyboard and select the first option showing it to only on keyboard. Click on to add new keyboard to search here to emoji, press on to add. Okay, now successfully add emoji. Now I'm check. Okay, now successfully add my emoji. So that's it, that's how we can do it.